In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove friends on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. From the menu options, select Find Friends. You'll see a list of different accounts with mutual friends, sorted under people you may know. We won't focus on this in this video. On top of this list, you'll find your Friends button. Tap on it to view your list of friends. Select the friend you want to remove by tapping on the three dots next to their name. A menu will slide up from below with various options. You can choose to message, unfollow, block, or unfriend them. Now select the unfriend option and confirm your choice. After unfriending, the Add Friend button will replace the three dots, indicating that you've successfully removed this person as a friend on Facebook. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.